Welcome dear friends, in this video we will discuss screening test for SST General conducted by ETEA on 20th March 2021. Who set you on to do it? Choose the correct meaning of the underlined phrasal verb. Set you on means instigated. Edgar in the play King Lear disguises himself as made beggar called dash. Fill in the blanks with correct option. Poor Tom. He has many mouths to feed. The given sentence is an example of synecdoche. Synecdoche is a figure of speech in which a part is made to represent the whole. Here, mouth stand for people, part of whole, which is a synecdoche. Allusion refers the following. Choose the correct answers. A reference of past person or thing. I was a bit apprehensive dash the thought of attending the festival. 8. Such was not my intention. The underlined word in the sentence is pronoun. Here such replaces an understood idea, so it functions as a pronoun. According to dream, what will happen if our dreams die? Life will be hopeless. Bring these biscuits with you dash you get hungry on the journey. In case. कुरान मजीद में कुल रुको कितने हैं? 558. If A has 2 elements and B has 3 elements, then number of binary relations in A cross B is 2 power 6. A cross B has 6 pairs, so each subset is a relation, giving 2 power 6 possibilities. नेक औरतें फरमानबरदार होती है, शौहर की अदम मौजूदगी में डैश रहती है, मुहाफिज रहती है. क्यूब रूट ऑफ 343 इज 7. 7 का अगर क्यूब लिया जाए तो इट बिकम्स 343. सो द क्यूब रूट ऑफ 343 इज 7. KNO3 after a chemical reaction converts to KNO2 plus O2. The correct option here is 2KNO3 after chemical reaction gives 2KNO2 plus O2. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan retired from the British service as judge. What do you mean by stanza? Choose the correct answer. A division of poem. I love pizza. Dash most days I eat it for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Fill in with suitable conjunction. Therefore. I heard my sister dash on phone. Talking. जो परसेप्शन वर्ब्स होते हैं तो उसमें ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ वर्ब की ing फॉर्म यूज होती है. तो हियर इट इज heard my sister talking. My mother told dash the reports before Friday. Me to do. जब एक सेंटेंस में टेल होता है तो वो यूजुअली फॉलो होता है बाय ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस टू इन्फिनेटिव. तो हियर इट इज told me to do it. The dog digs under the fence. The underlined part of sentence is an adverb phrase. Under the fence tells where, so it is an adverb phrase. The light at the front door suddenly went out. The underlined part of the sentence is prepositional phrase. At the front door is a prepositional phrase of place modifying light. Pak-China border dispute was settled in 1963. An assessment that is carried out through the course is called Formative assessment. According to Iqbal's philosophy, it is necessary for a student to look upon facts from other points of view. The revised pay scale is uniform. Choose the word opposite in meaning to the underlined word. Varied. The affluent of most visiting Arabs is astonishing. Choose the word nearest in meaning to the underlined word. Affluent means wealth. Who among the following is a revolutionary poet? Choose the correct answer. P.B. Shelley. She bought it for herself. The underlined word in the given sentence is reflexive pronoun. Herself reflects the subject and is a reflexive pronoun. A form of a verb that is used to indicate a past or ongoing action and that can be used like adjective is called participle. Next week he dashed to Dubai. Is flying. जब हमने फ्यूचर प्लान डिस्क्राइब करना होता है तो उसके लिए यूजुअली हम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस यूज करते हैं. The difference between upper limit of two consecutive classes in a frequency table is called class interval. Special glasses used to observe the solar eclipse are made by the use of plastic. Table tennis balls are made from plant cellulose. British India Company was granted permission of the trade with India by Jahangir. Which one is the simplest form of cognition? Sensation. Educational policy helps in determination of aims. She is not cut out for this kind of work. Choose the correct meaning of the underlined phrasal verb. Cut out for means suitable. Humanism and printing press were the characteristics of Renaissance. What is sestet? Choose the correct answer. Last 6 lines of sonnet. I wonder if Sarah will be coming with us. The underlined part of the sentence is noun clause. If Sarah will be coming with us is a noun clause functioning as the object. The usual adulation of the officers must end. Choose the word opposite in meaning to the underlined word. Condemnation. Her debonair manners were noticed by everyone present in the city. Choose the word opposite in meaning to the underlined word. Stiff. Debonair means suave. The opposite in tone is stiff. None can be sure of your help because you always dash. Choose the suitable idiom to fill the blank. Play fast and loose. Play fast and loose means to be unreliable and inconsistent. Vanity is often noticeable in a great leader. Choose the word nearest in meaning to the underlined word. Noticeable means visible. His unscrupulous act would only tantamount to ravage and destruction. Choose the word nearest in meaning to the underlined word. Tantamount means equal. A railway line that is no longer used is dash used, is disused. Which of the following is the most important single factor in underlying the success of beginning a teacher? Personality and its ability to relate to the class. Will begun is half done. The underlined word in the given sentence is adverb. Will modifies begun, so it functions as an adverb. Despite his dash personality, Salman can be rather dash sometimes. His shy personality can be rather outgoing sometimes. There are several mistakes in your composition. The underlined word in the given sentence is an adjective of number. Several counts an indefinite number, so it is an adjective of number. I dash my work when Aslam dashed to see me. I had done my work when Aslam came to see me. हुजूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अपने चचा अबू तालिब के हमरा किस उम्र में शाम तिजारत की गरज से तशरीफ ले गए? 12 साल की उम्र में. The smallest 4-digit number using 7, 0, 8 and 9 is 7089. If 5 years are added to man's present age and that age is tripled, he will be 84. What is his present age? 23. अगर हम उसके present age को x कंसिडर करें तो स्टेटमेंट के मुताबिक प्रेजेंट एज के साथ जब 5 ऐड हो जाए और फिर इसको ट्रिपल किया जाए तो इससे बन जाएगा 84. तो हमारे साथ जो इक्वेशन बनेगी दैट विल बी x + 5 × 3. इसको 3 के साथ या ट्रिपल करेंगे या 3 के साथ हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये इक्वल हो जाएगा 84 का. तो इसको हम x के लिए सॉल्व करेंगे तो x हमारे साथ आ जाएगा 23. The DNA molecule to which a gene of interest is inserted for cloning is called vector. A vector is the DNA vehicle that carries the inserted genes. Methane reacts with the oxygen molecule to give product of water and carbon dioxide. It is characterized as combustion. Shimla deputation was led by Sir Aga Khan. It was led by Sir Aga Khan III in 1906. The factor that affect the development of curriculum is called foundation of curriculum. Philosophical foundation of curriculum is concerned with ideas. Our soldiers are killing the enemies. Choose the correct passive voice. The enemies are being killed by our soldiers. जब हम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस का पैसिव बनाते हैं तो हम उसमें यूज करते हैं being. Canaan had dash unique qualities dash it was used wide in ancient times. Had such unique qualities that it was used wide in ancient times. He enjoyed vicarious authority. Choose the correct meaning of the underlined word. Vicarious means delegated. I like this than that. The underlined word in the given sentence is a conjunction, then functions as a conjunction in comparisons. The hunter shot the lion. Choose the correct passive voice. The lion was shot by the hunter. Shot चूंकि सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में यूज हुआ है तो इसका जो पैसिव बनता है सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में दैट इज was shot by. The nth root product of n number of values is called geometric mean. Geometric mean का जो फार्मूला है that is a1 a2 up to an whole power 1 over n. Dash gas is used by burning gas heater in water, which causes death if accumulates in high amounts. Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide from incomplete combustion is lethal in high amounts. If some of your pupils misbehave with you in the school, you must improve their behavior by your own character and scholarship. He is a liar. You should take his statement dash. Choose the suitable idiom to fill the blank. With a grain of salt. With a grain of salt means not to take it fully at face value. The streets of Peshawar are worse than those of Lahore. The underlined word in the given sentence is a demonstrative pronoun. Those is a plural demonstrative pronoun replacing streets. जो शख्स जुमा के दिन लोगों पर से छलांग कर गया उसने जहन्नम की तरफ पुल बनाया. ये एक हदीस मुबारक है. The lower limit of a class 7 to 12 is 7. The ratio of an hour to a minute is 60:1 because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, so the ratio is 60:1. Which of the following is an inorganic acid? Nitric acid. A mechanical appliance which can work on dash principle in a hydraulic system. Pascal's principle. Hydraulics rely on Pascal's principle of fluid pressure. In which language Shah Waliullah translated the Holy Quran? Persian. Observation or one's own behavior by looking inward is known as the method of introspection. The ability to think abstracts and systematically solve problems emerges during the formal operational stage. It is foolish to dash established traditions. Choose the suitable idiom to fill in the blank. Fly in the face of. To fly in the face of means to defy established traditions. Shylock the Jew was a character in the play dash Shakespeare. Fill in the blanks with correct option. Play The Merchant of Venice. What do you mean by imagery? Choose correct answer. Language perceived through senses. Which is the shortest period of English literature? Romantic period. She went home and sat on dash sofa. Fill in the blank with proper order of adjective. Her comfortable old wooden. क्योंकि जो ऑर्डर यूज होता है प्रॉपर ऑर्डर उसमें पहले पोजेसिव आएगा दैट इज हर, फिर ओपिनियन दैट इज कंफर्टेबल, फिर एज दैट इज ओल्ड और इसके बाद मटेरियल दैट इज वुडन. I would relax the rule if I were the head of the company. The given sentence is example of conditional to. Would if I were is the unreal present second conditional. I have still dash friends left to approach for help. A few. He said to her, which books did you buy from this shop? Choose the correct indirect speech. He asked her which books he had bought from that shop. His endeavors proved fruitful. The word opposite in meaning to the underlined word is. The opposite of fruitful is futile. Look on my works ye mightily and despair. From which poem this line has been taken? Ozymandias. My teacher has eyes in the back of her head. The given sentence is an example of hyperbole. The claim about eyes in the back of the head is exaggerated. So when there are exaggerated claims, we call it hyperbole. हक आ गया और बातिल मिट गया. ये कुरान मजीद की किस सूरा में है? सूरा इसरा. Ali weigh 25 pounds more than Akram. If together they weigh 205 pounds. What is the weight of Ali? 115. इसके सोल्यूशन का तरीका यह है कि अकरम का जो वेट है हम उसको कंसिडर करेंगे x। तो अकरम का वेट अगर x हो गया तो अली का जो वेट है वो x + 25 हो जाएगा, क्योंकि जो स्टेटमेंट है उसमें ये दिया गया है कि अली का जो वेट है वो अकरम के वेट से 25 पाउंड ज़्यादा है, और दोनों के वेट को जब कंबाइन किया जाता है तो दोनों का कंबाइंड वेट 205 पाउंड्स है। तो हमारे पास इक्वेशन कुछ इस तरह से बनेगी कि अकरम की वेट और प्लस अली की वेट ये बराबर हो जाएगा 205 की। तो अकरम की जो वेट है दैट इज़ x प्लस अली की जो वेट है दैट इज़ x + 25। तो x + 25 आ जाएगा और ये इज इक्वल टू हो जाएंगे 205 के। तो x के लिए हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो जो फाइनल रिजल्ट हमारे साथ आ जाएगा x के लिए दैट इज़ 90। अब चूंकि अली का जो वेट है वो 25 पाउंड ज़्यादा है तो 90 के साथ हम या x के साथ हम 25 को ऐड करेंगे तो ये हमारे साथ हो जाएगा 115 पाउंड्स। 4/9 of a number is 12. What is the number? 27. हम इज्यूम करते हैं कि जो हमारे साथ नंबर है वो x है, तो हमारे साथ जो इक्वेशन बनेगी वो इस तरह बनेगी कि 4/9 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई x इज इक्वल टू 12। तो x के लिए हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमारे साथ x आ जाएगा यहाँ पे 27। Bilirubin is a yellow compound that occurs in the normal catabolic pathway. It is breakdown of a red blood cell. The word renal is used for kidney. The heroine's infidelity finds no mention in this biography. Choose the word opposite in meaning to the underlined word. Opposite of infidelity is loyalty. Infidelity means unfaithfulness, so the opposite is loyalty. There came about a dash in the negotiations between the two rival groups. Choose the suitable idiom to fill in the blank. Deadlock. Deadlock is a stalemate, stopping progress in talks. The dispute between India and Pakistan can only be settled through negotiations. Choose the word nearest in meaning to the underlined word. Negotiations means mutual discussions. We have no data to go upon in this case. Choose the correct meaning of the underlined phrasal verb. Establish. To go upon means to base or establish a case on something. What is a character? Choose the correct answer. Any person in literary work. Who is the poet of Victorian age? Choose the correct answer. Robert Browning. Wahid is dash finishing school next year. Choose the correct prepositional phrase to fill in the blank. Intent on. We say intent on for doing something. You said to him, "Why did you call me names yesterday?" Choose the correct indirect speech. You asked him why he had called you names the previous day. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.